24K Brewers has an ideal location on Balewadi High Street in Pune. The building is located amongst the contemporary designed IT parks across the road. The 24K Brewers has occupied 4,000 square feet of the floor plate on the 10th floor. The design program includes a brewery within 1,000 square feet with a production capacity of 6.5 hectoliters. The kitchen and the allied services are about 1,000 square feet. The entrance lobby, restaurant, bar counter and the wood fire oven are all together. The terrace and the washrooms occupy the remaining areas. Here, craft beer is also termed as flowing beer, which becomes the concept of this brewery and the restaurant. 24K is a new brand of the beer. So the entrance gate is designed with a grand opening with geometric cuts, finished with golden textured sheets, and the lights within form an overall welcoming composition for this installation. As one enters the lobby, he experiences the flow of the beer caused by the reflection of the wall panel opposite the brewery. Here, the concept of the flowing beer is applied on the opposite walls. This narrow passage gets lit up when the abstract form of the flowing beer. Innovative use of onyx, golden color bubble textured material manifests itself in the wall paneling. The light within this graphical composition infuse a sense of movement. Therefore, this reflection of the flowing beer on the glass of the brewery adds drama to this narrow passage. Indirectly, it flows on the vessels of the brewery. This flow of the bubbles ends in forming a beer cloud over the bar counter, which bursts over the tap. So here the challenge was of making the cloud, which by its property of being light in weight and floating. With the help of an artist, we used very light materials, the aluminium mesh. Installation of this mesh captured the flow of the cloud, creating a floating effect over the bar counter. Light effects within the mesh added the drama to this whole space. Eventually, this forms the center of the whole space. Golden framed shells littered within form the background for the liquor display. The wood fire oven is placed along the kitchen and the restaurant, creating its own rustic existence. The burnt brick tiles on the wood fire oven, the handmade light fixture, and the custom-made furniture with the fabric pastel shades add warmth to the space. Innovative use of materials such as onyx, charcoal sheets, aluminium mesh, handmade light reflector, burnt brick tiles, and custom-made furniture to suit the functional and the aesthetic needs help in creating the drama by transforming themselves into the panels, floors, and various abstract installations. This project further blurs the gap between the notation of inside and outside. The story finally terminates into a magical experience with the installation of handmade reflector on the terrace. This oasis of a space hangs in sky against a well-defined urban silhouette and cleverly crafts its element to create a dreamlike abstract ambience amongst the urban infrastructure. The sleek and the modern furniture and the overall ambience create a refreshing mood. Here is an attempt to connect the patrons with the distant horizons, thus creating a whole new sense of being here and there simultaneously.